Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on Guided Access in Settings Accessibility, because this locks the device to one app and prevents interruptions. Once done, set a secure passcode and enable Face ID if available, so you can end sessions only when you want. Make sure the accessibility shortcut is active. Triple-click the Home or Side button to launch Guided Access Fast. This is the first actionable step to prepare your device for playing PubG uninterrupted while controlling touch and motion. You launch PubG, then triple-click the Home or Side button to enter Guided Access. This is where you control input precisely. Once in, draw around screen regions to block accidental taps, for example, the minimap or chat icons, and tap options to disable motion, touch, or the on-screen keyboard if needed. Also, configure time limits or button behavior to stop the sleep button or volume from interrupting gameplay. Tailoring these options keeps your session stable and focused. You finish by tapping Start to lock into PubG. Play normally with restricted inputs. When you need to exit, triple-click the Home or Side button, enter the Guided Access passcode, or use Face ID, then tap End. That completes the controlled session. If something goes wrong, like controls not responding, exit Guided Access, force close PubG, and relaunch before re-enabling Guided Access. This usually clears glitches. If you forget the passcode, use Face ID fallback or reset Guided Access settings in accessibility to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.